Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove chlorophyll from leaves. This simple guide will help you understand the process. Chlorophyll is the green pigment in plants, essential for photosynthesis. By removing it, we can observe other beautiful colors that are usually hidden. This method is safe and uses common household items, making it perfect for a fun science experiment or just satisfying your curiosity about plant pigments. First, let's gather everything you'll need for this experiment. You'll want some fresh, green leaves, rubbing alcohol, which is typically 70% isopropyl alcohol, and a heat-safe container like a glass jar or beaker. Additionally, grab a small pot, a larger bowl, and some warm water. Selecting leaves that are still quite green will give you the most dramatic color change, so pick them carefully. Now, let's begin the extraction. Carefully place your chosen leaves into the heat-safe container. Pour enough rubbing alcohol over them to completely submerge the leaves. Next, place this container into a larger bowl or pot filled with warm, but not boiling, water. This creates a gentle water bath. Let the leaves soak for about 30 to 60 minutes, or until the alcohol turns noticeably green, indicating the chlorophyll is dissolving. As the process continues, you'll see the rubbing alcohol gradually turn a vibrant green. This is the chlorophyll leaving the leaves. The leaves themselves will become much paler, often revealing beautiful yellow, orange, or even red pigments that were previously masked. Remember to always work in a well-ventilated area when using rubbing alcohol. This simple experiment beautifully demonstrates the hidden colors within nature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.